you know I had to come back with a part 2. Up first is the mullet lawn guy. Now he is all business in the front and party in the back. What does this guy think he's hiding? Check out his lawn on Google Maps and it sticks out like a sore thumb. This guy's lawn definitely has a split personality disorder. Now don't think this guy is lazy, because he's just got better things to do than you do. Next up is Mr. Frugal. Now he calculates every fertilizer application and keeps track of it with an Excel spreadsheet. Now you'll find this guy headed straight to the back of the store, you know, to that damaged pallet of fertilizer, all to save $5. And this guy shops for all of his lawn care equipment at yard sales with a return policy. And this guy can make a 50-pound bag of urea last for 3 seasons. And don't forget about Mr. I own a reel mower. Nothing says I'm better than you than the guy in the neighborhood with a reel mower. Now he is always talking about his height of cut or the last time he backlapped. I don't even know. I don't know. The amount of money that this guy has spent on sand and top dressing, he could probably afford a second house at the beach. Next up is the mono stand man. Midnight, Bewitched, Prosperity, he is always in search of that perfect cultivar. He changes grass types like I change underwear in the summer. This guy spends his Friday evenings reading in-depth studies for fun. Got one thing on his mind. We should have seen it coming. After all, he was the captain of the unicycle club in middle school. Last up is the jealous neighbor. No sooner than we get done mowing, he's out there firing up his mower too. You try purchasing a new spreader, and this guy's coming home with a new zero turn. You replace that old push mower, and this guy's got a new F-150. I mean, he never even cared about his lawn until you moved in. He's always asking questions like, what are you doing to your lawn next? What's your secret? I just tell him it's the fertilizer. Just remember, every lawn guy thinks he's the normal one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.